Hello and welcome to the world of programming. In this video, we are going to take a look after how we can make our own Jarvis in HTML, CSS and JS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here you can see that I'm having my HTML file with my basic template, connected my CSS file, JS file and having a button start with the title Jarvis. Okay, so now we are having a CSS file empty, JS file empty. Now how we can make a Jarvis? For that we need all the logic. First thing for Jarvis is the speaker who is going to speak the words. Okay, and after that we are having one audience, like we need the audience as well. Okay, so after that in the speaker, what we can do in the JavaScript, we are having one means we can say a variable that's known as speech synthesis that is used to speak the things. Okay, so let's take the speaker here first. So let's take the speaker is equal to speech synthesis. After that we need the text here, so means what we need to say, like let's take the text to be equal to like hello, how are you sir. Now after that let's go here and say, let's give a comma here for the machine to take a rest at this point. Now let's take the speech here, so it will make a speech here. So we are going to just make a speech, and that's going to be new and speech synthesis utterance. Okay, so here it is, and in this we need to pass the text, so we are going to just pass the text. Now what happening, here's a speaker, that's speech synthesis, and here's a text that we want to speak. Okay, and here's a speech, means the speech that is being made ready for the speaker. Now why is a speech required instead of the text? Because suppose if you're having some text to speak in your mind, or even before speaking from your mouth directly, suppose if you are going to an means give a speech to an audience, then first you need to write it on a paper and then give it to the speaker to speak. So similarly we are having a text and we are just creating a speech on a paper, and we are just giving it to speaker to this to speak. Okay, so we are going to say like speaker dot speak, and that's a very straightforward, like speaker dot speak, and we are going to just pass the speech here. And let's pass the speech. Now you can see that here's a speaker who's going to take the who is going to take the speech to speak, and the speech is going to take the text to make the speech. Okay, so that's a very simple code. Okay, so let's save this thing here, and after that let's go here and just open with live server by click on right click and open with live
Hello,
server.
how are you, sir?
You can see here it is. So you can see that the machine is seeing the things. Okay, so now the next thing comes, and what's that? Yeah, suppose we want the machine to make a speech recognition. Okay, in that case what we need, okay, first of all recognizer. Okay, so let's take first the audience here, and let's take the audience to be equal to new window dot, and here's one class like web kit, and here's comes the spelling error, like speech recognition. You should be careful while writing the spelling because it can be wrong. So speech recognition, and after that let's go here and select audience. Okay, even before that
Hello,
we cannot
how
start
are you,
directly.
sir?
Okay, so we are going to take this button here. So there's a button, we are having a button, right? So we are going to say like whenever someone clicks on any of the button on the website, then we are going to just say like, okay, let's take first the button. So let's take the button to be equal to document dot query selector, and let's take the button here. After that let's take the button and dot add event listener, and in the add event listener we are going to say like someone clicks on the button, then what we are going to do, we are going to just run a callback. And the callback, what we are going to do, we are going to just start the recognition. Now let's say audience dot start. Audience dot start is the function that's going to start. So the things are very good. Like the functions are very easy to understand. Like speak function to speak something, start to start the recognition. Okay. So now after that, suppose someone is saying something. Okay. Yeah,
Hello,
someone is saying
how are
something.
you,
Okay.
sir?
So now we want that whenever the speech is completed, means our speech is completed, then the machine should give the result that what we just spoken. So at this point, let's say like audience dot on result, and in the on result we are having a parameter. So even before that, the correct way of doing this at this point is like it's like you're making a function here, and on result we are having a function. Okay, so here's an on result. function in which we're having an event, and we are going to just say like console.log event. Let's see what details we are getting. Okay, so let's save
Hello.
this.
How are you, sir?
Now let's go back here and
Hello.
click on
How
start.
are you,
Okay,
sir?
if I click on start here, hi, I'm fine. Let's go to the inspection here, and let's go to the console. Now you can see here's a speech recognition event. Okay, let's go here and see what's there. So here's the only thing that we are interested in is the result. Okay, so we are having a result which is containing our text. Okay, so let's go here, and we are, as you can see, here's a transcript, right? And it's containing our text like, hi, I'm fine. So now how we can access this by using some basic rules of JS. So here what we are going to do, we are going to say like console.log event dot, and in the event we are having a result inside which, okay, let's go to result first. So let's say results, and we are going to just the first element. After that we are going to go to the first element one more time, and in the first element we are going to go to the transcript, and yeah, that's it. So let's go here, transcript. Let's save this,
Hello.
and
How are you, sir?
that's a very simple thing. Now let's go here and reload
Hello.
it.
How are you, sir?
Click on the start here. Okay, so if I click on the start and say hello, I am fine, you can see here it is now. Now after that we are having like audience dot on a result. No, that's it. Now the next thing, suppose some error comes, then you can say like audience dot on error. You're going to have a function here, and that's going to say console.log failed to here, and console.error. Okay, that's it. Let's save
Hello.
this.
How are you,
Okay,
sir?
so let's do like that, and that's
Hello.
it.
How are you, sir?
Now that's all okay. Next thing, yeah. So we are having an audience and we are having a speaker. So let's save this
Hello.
and let's go.
How are you, sir?
Hi, I am fine. I guess here's a fail to execute start on speech recognition has already started. Okay, so I just click on the start button.
Hello. How are you, sir?
Hello, I am fine. Let's go to console here. Fail to here. Why is that so? Let's reload
Hello.
it.
How are you, sir?
Hi, I am fine. Now you can see here's I am fine. Okay. So that's how you can do that. Okay. So now, yeah, that's all for this video. Meet in the next video when we are going to just design the JARVIS and make some logic. Means add some more logic to it, like how it's going to function. Like it's going to hear from us something like open google.com. Now, when we say open google.com, then it's going to open the google.com, facebook.com, facebook.com, youtube.com, youtube.com. So, and then we are going to just style that. And we are in the stylings. Okay, so when we are styling the Jarvis, then we are going to give a photo image, and then we also need an icon for the project. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video. Meet in the next video. Till then, see you.